Now let's talk about a solution that we've really done a lot of shows on. It's really great. It's streaming, it's encoding, it's multi-camera mixing. That's the SlingStudio Hub. That's $9.99. But what's great about the SlingStudio? You can bring in video cameras, or your phone can run an app, and you can run the app on your phone. It could be an iPhone or an Android phone, and it will be seen by the SlingStudio. But what I really love about the SlingStudio is I can add this little puppy a camera link, and with the camera link, I can actually bring video from an HDMI camera. So let's bring up this slide. Let's bring this slide full screen, because I think we need to talk about this with where we are right now. And that is this is a completely portable solution, but it's also the most versatile solution we sell for everyone who's got to stream in a hurry, who's got a limited budget. You can take the camcorder through the camera link. You can take a camera. You can use smartphones. You can use regular video cameras. You have an HDMI input jack as well on this, which a lot of people use that jack for like their laptop to come in, so they can bring in laptop graphics and stuff like that. It's a complete solution, and it has bundles available for you where you can put the camera link together with the SlingStudio Hub or whatever you like. So SlingStudio, a great way to go, probably for those who want to do a multi-camera shoot on a tight budget in the quickest time and the easiest way to do it. SlingStudio wins.